Welcome to the next leg of our Wild Atlantic Way adventure. This time we're going to South Donegal and we're starting at Assaranca Falls. After a refreshing dip, we followed the coast all the way around to Port or Port Pier, and we climbed all the way up to the top of the headland so we could make the most of the stunning scenery here.
This place is stunning.
This little road trip really had it all, and we're now heading to one of the most stunning beaches. Ieuan actually said this is his favourite beach so far on all of our Donegal adventures. And just because I love waterfalls, we finished it off with Donegal's not-so-secret waterfall. This was absolutely breathtaking. Not just because it was absolutely freezing, but man, look at those views. But first, we gotta do them chores.
I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all.
Some golf.
Oh, some golf. With just that. With no clubs.
Just going to throw it.
Just go throw it at the holes.
Yes.
Oh, here she comes. You do realise we're going to the beach, yeah?
I'm done trying to fix what is broken. 'Cause my time is running out in the sand. Ooh, I'm just a human in motion. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken. Ooh, but it's a lonely call. Yeah, it's a lonely calling.
So we just been swimming in this pretty cool waterfall. Can you see? Can't really see it from here. Oh, you'll see the footage anyway. Just been swimming in this waterfall. So we're doing 5 stops. We're doing like a kind of day trip, but we are camping, so a 2-day trip. We're going to go essentially 5 different stops. We've got a waterfall, a beach, some caves, some cliffs, and a couple of other places because Ireland's got all of that within about an hour away from Heather's house. So sounds a bit fun. We're going to do some more now. We've just been for a nice cold, very cold swim. We're going to do some more stuff. Hey, peace off. Hey, what's up? What up, people? We are at Port. Check this little place out. We're at Port. Hey! We're at Port.
We're
the
going
port.
up those steps.
Port of Port. We're gonna go see this little pier and the beach. We're probably gonna do some swimming.
Jump in there.
Swimming and jumping.
Hello, Mr. Jones.
Hello, darling.
if you want to get away from people, the Irish countryside is definitely the place to go. That doesn't mean, however, that you're going to be free from traffic. You'll just get a very different type of traffic. A few countryside traffic jams later, the fashion police come to call.
What are you saying about this outfit, huh?
It's fit. My baggy fit.
Bad boy fit.
My chavvy fit.
It is disgusting.
Disgusting. Come on, he is. It was me.
Look at it. Look at the state of that.
What?
That was a perfect shot.
Looks nice and calm and not windy. Looks
Yeah.
like a nice place for a swim.
Yeah, it looks awesome for a swim.
There's got a sea waterfall over there as well. So we've landed now at the third destination of the day. This beautiful beach called Silver Strand at Malin Beg, I think. But I actually cannot tell you how lucky we have been with the weather. It is absolutely lashed for the last 3 days straight, and today's been beautiful. Sure is still absolutely lovely. So we're going to jump in now for a dip, and then we're going for some fish and chips. Spoiling ourselves. Hey Rubes. Hey Rubes. Class. I'm not cold at all in my swimsuit. Not even chilly.
Basically floating. It's just starting to creep into my belly, that's the worst part. You know, when it like, because it just trickles in.
Of course you're at your belly and I just pushed the ground.
What you doing there? You look very tense.
Like that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
You're a dummy.
What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you
Getting on there.
Very good.
You didn't good at the
Whose
game.
go is it?
Yeah.
You do realise the aim of the game is to get one card, not all of them.
Money man.
You look pretty though.
He's gonna make it rain.
What colour?
Heather.
Green. Mean. Green.
I don't know whether to be nasty or not.
This is a bit mean though.
Well, I did you a really freaking easy one.
You
Oh,
could do
fool
swap hands
you.
with someone.
That's a good one. I think the next
You could
person
swap hands with Betsy
to
or
pick up
Heather.
cards has to run into the water. That's the rule.
I'm a spend, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I beat up all night, day and night, day and night. I'm a spend,
I lost.
I'm a baller, take a deep breath.
Positive.
I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I beat up all night, day and night, day and night.
Wait back to yourself, Rubes.
I wear fancy clothes. I'm a hell of a I got hell of
Live a life to the maximum. All day and night. All day and night. All day and night. Live a life to the maximum.
What are we up to tomorrow?
Oh, tomorrow we're going to Sleeve League Cliffs,
Slabbing Cliffs.
which is going to be awesome. And then we're going to Assaranca Waterfall, which is like Donegal's worst kept secret. There's this waterfall and it's called like the hidden waterfall, but everyone knows where it is. So we're going to see that because I haven't seen it before. And then maybe if we have time, so it's like a secret, but everyone knows about it, so it's not really a secret. And then maybe if we have time, we're going to go to Bundoran Sea Pool,
Oh yes,
tidal pool, but it's a little bit further. It's not quite in the same peninsula that we're on.
swimming pool fills up in the tide. It's gonna be cold, but we're gonna swim in it.
Yeah, well, we've done loads of cool swimming today, and we're still alive. So.
It'll be cold though, and you wouldn't do a nighttime swim. She wouldn't get in the water with me right
I'm
now.
about to get in the bloody tent.
She's a baby. Anyway,
Baby back, bitch.
we'll be back tomorrow. See you there. Swim time.
Morning time, we all slept like shit. Ruby looks like shit. Betsy is a shit. But except for an absolutely pooey night's sleep, we're having a banging time in South Donegal so far. And if you tune into the next vlog, you'll get to see the next leg, which includes going to this absolute stunner of a waterfall.